Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, U.S. Immigration News. ICE deports single dad of 6 American children after 34 years in the U.S. A single dad of 6 children was deported to Mexico last month after living in the U.S. for more than 34 years. His lawyer told Newsweek. Department of Homeland Security Assistant Secretary Tricia McLaughlin told Newsweek that Rosalio Vasquez Mi was arrested on September 15th. His attorney, Michelle Edstrom, said he was taking his children to school to drop them off when an IC vehicle pulled him over and arrested him. Edstrom said he had a valid work permit and was the sole caretaker of his children, all of whom are U.S. citizens. Why it matters. Immigration enforcement has been a key focus of President Donald Trump's administration. The Department of Homeland Security announced on December 10th that the agency's enforcement operations have resulted in more than 605,000 deportations since January 20th. The agency said 1.9 million people have voluntarily self-deported since January 2025. What to know? In 2023, Vasquez Mi had applied for a visa under the Violence Against Women Act, which also applies to men and parents of U.S. citizen children whose children have been subject to abuse, neglect, or abandonment, Edstrom said. He was the only caretaker of the children when he dropped them off at school that day when IC arrested him, and he had a valid work permit. He also had a valid driver's license. He had what's called a prima facie determination of his VAWA petition and was just waiting on the final adjudication of that application, Edstrom said. Edstrom said Vasquez Mi first came into the U.S. in 1990 as a teenager. Edstrom said that after he left in 1999, he thought he was applying for a work visa through an office in Ciudad Juarez, but he was arrested in 2000 when he attempted to enter with that documentation. Mi was previously removed to Mexico in 2000. He chose to commit a felony and illegally re-enter the U.S. at an unknown date and location, McLaughlin said. Edstrom said Vasquez Mi had remained in the U.S. since 2000. He was self-employed doing painting and construction-type work. He owned his own home in Oklahoma. He had significant community ties. He had, obviously, family ties through his children. He was trying to go through the process the right way, and they picked him up anyway. Vasquez Mi remained in custody until his deportation last month, Edstrom said. She said he went without his medication for high blood pressure for over 2 weeks. He was not feeling well at all, Edstrom said. The anxiety of being separated from his children on top of basically going cold turkey off of your high blood pressure medication and anti-anxiety medication was not good on him at all. Edstrom said his children reunited with Vasquez Mi in Mexico after an elderly family friend helped take care of them. Tricia McLaughlin, a spokesperson for the Department of Homeland Security, told Newsweek that pending applications do not confer legal status. She said IC had reinstated Vasquez Mi's final order of removal. McLaughlin said he did not request to have his children removed with him. ICE does not separate families, McLaughlin said. Parents are asked if they want to be removed with their children, or IC will place the children with a safe person the parent designates. This is consistent with past administration's immigration enforcement. Parents can take control of their departure with the CBP Home app and reserve the chance to come back the right legal way. Edstrom said Vasquez Mi was not given the option of traveling with his children. What happens next? Edstrom said they have been trying to get congressional assistance for Vasquez Mi's VAWA petition. That is all for today in this video. Please hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to push the notification bell for an upcoming video. See you later in the next video. Till then, take care